Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So today we're back with a easy and yummy banana muffin. Welcome back to Happy Human. Let's look into the ingredients. So the very first step is to peel the banana and slice them into little pieces so that we can mash the bananas easily. So here I am taking about 3 bananas because the bananas I got is small. If your bananas are big enough, then you can either use 1 or 2 according to how much quantity of muffins you wanted. Alright, last one. Now that we're done with slicing up bananas into pieces, we're going to mash them very nicely. When you mash the bananas, you might get little pieces of bananas. You can keep them, but try avoiding larger pieces of bananas. Get all the energy out of you. This is how it looks so far. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs into our banana. And then you have to beat it very nicely so that the egg and banana gets mixed super good. After mixing very nicely, you will get this kind of bubbly mixture. Next, we're going to add our second ingredient, butter, and mix them thoroughly. Mix, mix, mix. Next, we add 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar and mix it really good. It might be a bit hard to mix, but it's so good to eat and fun to make. For next, we're going to add about 3 by 4 cup of flour into our mixture. We're almost done with making the batter for our banana muffins. Next step is to add a pinch of salt into our batter. The very next step is optional. If you would like to have a small crunch in your muffins, then you could add your favorite nut, or you could even add chocolate chip too. Now that we are done with making the batter, we're going to set up the cupcake tray. We should also not forget to preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. The very next step is my favorite step of all of this, pouring the cupcake batter into the cupcake cups. I tried my best to not make a mess, but here you go. The cups kept slipping off, which irritated me. I used electric oven to bake these muffins. I'm going to keep these muffins into an electric oven for 15 to 20 minutes and wait for these muffins to get ready. Let's wait. Our delicious banana muffins are ready to serve. If you want some topping, you could also put some topping on your banana muffin. So here for the topping, I used caramelized almonds. The caramelized almonds are super easy to make. All you gotta do is make some caramel and put some almonds on it or any of your favorite nut. It turned out super good and I just loved it so much. It also goes best with banana muffins. And now it's time for the very last step. Take a bite. I really hope you all enjoyed today cooking with me. It was super fun to make and it's super good to eat, and I also hope you all would try this recipe too. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy Human! See ya!